Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of AI and technology specifically. We'll be discussing the question on everyone's mind: can artificial intelligence replace humans? So, let's get started. When it comes to artificial intelligence, many people have concerns that machines will replace humans. But here's the thing: AI can't replace human intelligence because it's humans who are creating these technologies through programming and algorithms. Now you might be wondering why we even need AI if it can't replace humans. Well, the concept of automation has been around for a while, and it's no surprise that AI is making it easier to replace manual labor. In fact, in every sector, these AI technologies are simplifying complex tasks that were once challenging for humans. So, is there anything to worrying about? Absolutely. As AI continues to evolve and improve, there could be more opportunities for jobs to disappear. However, this also opens up new possibilities for new careers and roles we can't even imagine yet. The key is staying adaptable and learning new skills as technology advances. That wraps up today's discussion on AI and technology. I hope you found it informative and interesting. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.